Oh, hi there. I heard you're interested in taking up a life science degree. If you want to pursue a career in biomedical science, pharmaceutical science, chemistry and biotechnology, you're in the right place. Life sciences are the scientific study of living organisms, including their life cycle processes and environment. It encompasses a broad range of disciplines ranging from genetics, virology, epidemiology, zoology, biochemistry, and more. At PSB Academy, we offer you 4 life science degree courses that are anchored on research and analysis, data science, scientific study, and medical technology. These are Bachelor of Biomedical Science, Bachelor of Science in Molecular Biology and Pharmaceutical Science, Bachelor of Science in Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, and Bachelor of Science in Molecular Biology and Applied Chemistry. In Bachelor of Biomedical Science, you will learn various aspects about the human body, its structure, functions, and practical skills to explore the underlying molecular basis of acute and chronic illnesses. In Bachelor of Science in Molecular Biology and Pharmaceutical Sciences, you will learn how pharmaceutical product formulations are involved in disease management. You will learn the study of formulation science, medicinal chemistry, and pharmacology and therapeutics. In Bachelor of Science in Molecular Biology and Biotechnology, you will learn biochemistry as related to value membranes, protein structure and function, bioinformatics, and gene structure and function. In Bachelor of Science in Molecular Biology and Applied Chemistry, you will learn drug design, organic synthesis, medicinal chemistry, and forensic science. All of these courses are available for you in partnership with La Trobe University, one of Australia's renowned universities that offers life science courses. Are you ready to pursue life sciences and contribute to the study of human health? Explore the phenomenon of science as a life science student with La Trobe University and PSB Academy.